Welcome to the jungle, guys. If you recall just a couple videos ago, I went on a hunt and it was my last hunt of the year. And that hunt, I hunted here on this property. So this property is a property that I have permission on. And it's this little 2 or 3 acre patch of woods surrounded by a hay field and an alfalfa field. And it is loaded with deer. Now I'm gonna pull this camera card, which has been here for like 6 months. And we're gonna see what kind of deer are moving through here. First things first is we're gonna pull a camera card here. How do I know how much battery is in here? My guess is dead. We got the good card there. Swap it out with a new one out of my bag of cards. And next we're gonna change some batteries, other known as batteries. I don't know why I said it like that. Now we just gotta find a place to put this camera. So I found a place for the camera on this weird looking wonky tree, but that's what we're looking at. We got a trail coming in here, going down there, going over there, going up there, and a nice little open space to put our special stuff. This woods is a whitetail hunter's dream, man. Our woods looks nothing like this. I mean, this place is totally undisturbed. We're the first guys to hunt it in 5-6 years, something like that. It's just a tiny little patch of woods surrounded by fields and a lot of houses. This is like what you see on Seek 1. Here's the goods. Evolved Habitats Molasses. I'm just kidding, guys. I know how to read. Now, there's no stumps around here, but we got a nice rotting log just conveniently sitting here. And I'm going to drag it over without it falling into a million pieces. Open it like so. Nope, that's not how you do it. Stage 2 of the process is pull the stupid plastic off. Take a nice healthy whiff. And smother the log like so. Oh yeah, deer will be having breakfast today and tomorrow. So we're gonna give this stuff a try. I'm gonna put it head to head with the deer cane that I use. We're gonna see kind of what the deer like better around here. Now, it's not really a fair comparison because this place here is just loaded with deer. I know that for a fact. But we're gonna see if the deer like to hit the rotten log or stump with the molasses, or if they tend to hit deer cane more. So trying it out. Evolved Habitats Molasses. Now I gotta find my way out of this jungle, which, believe it or not, is quite a task. Just gotta do a quick duckarooski through here. Oh, we made it. Well, I'm gonna check the remainder of the cameras while I'm out here. Man, this food plot just looks dumpy. This is, here she is in all of her disgustingness, covered in weeds. But these deer, they like that little block there, that's for sure. Now, there is a lot of clover in here. I'm not gonna deny that. There is quite a bit of clover. I mean, it's looking really nice, but the weeds, the grasses, it has just taken over and it's a mess. So my plan is here in the next few weeks, probably the end of the month, so I'll give it another 2 weeks, I'm gonna come in here and mow this. We'll see if it does anything. I mean, this is pitiful. I mean, there is some really big clover in here. I mean, look at that, it's big clover. But all of this, I believe that's stilt weed, and I don't know if that's knotweed or something or what that is. Very, very frustrating. We'll see how it turns out. If when I mow it, if it comes back decent, if it comes back thicker, if it chokes out some of the weeds, good, that's awesome. If it doesn't, I may end up burning it off and starting over. Here's a ceremony plot. Not much has changed since the last time you guys saw it. A couple weeds in it still, but it's not as bad as the other one. Here at the deer cane site, stupid thorn. These thorns, man, they sit here and wait in front of the camera. Now this camera's gonna have a butt ton of thorn picks. Doggone it. I hate when that happens. One of the reasons why I check cameras frequently, because that happens. Anyway, here's the deer cane site. It's slowly seeping down. It's slowly working its way down. Pile of poopy. Got a trail cutting through here. They kind of do some bedding in here, some tall grasses. It's a great area for deer, and I've gotten a lot of pictures down here. A lot of really nice buck pictures. So I know there's deer down here. But trying to catch him out of that tree stand has been proving to be quite difficult. He even smiled. Sees the camera, smiles. Oh my goodness. I'm so confused. Oh, that's not a bad buck. Not a bad buck. It's been a while since I checked this camera.